Okay, let's give you guys some practice now. So k cross j. So k. So this is your vector k cross j. Um, k cross j will result in which direction? Will it be in this direction or in this direction? So if you go back to here, hang on. When you take the cross product of two vectors, you're going to get this thing. This thing will always be this thing here will always be perpendicular to the plane here. But the thing is, which direction will it be in? Will it be in this direction or will it be in this direction? So it's really me asking you the same thing here. K cross J. So K is here, J is here. Which direction will your thumb be pointing? Will it be pointing this direction or in this direction? So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, well, K cross J would be in this direction. It will be in this direction because now use the right hand rule. Get your right hand and then point it up straight up into the sky. So all your fingers are pointing towards K. So your thumb would be in this direction. Your thumb, if you get your right hand and point it straight up into the sky, your thumb would be in this direction, and you can curl your fingers in this direction, but you won't be able to curl your fingers in this direction. But the thing is, we want from K to J, meaning we want the angle to sweep from here to here. But if you get your right hand and point it up straight up into the sky, your fingers will be pointing this direction. Your thumb will be in this direction. You can curl your fingers in this direction, but you can't curl it in the other direction. The only way you can curl it, the only way you can make this sweeping angle would be to turn your hand the other way. So you will feel quite awkward. So try and adjust your right hand so that your fingers will still be your fingers will still be stick your right hand up into the sky. Your fingers should still be pointing to the sky, but the thing is, your thumb will be pointing this direction. But then you can curl your fingers in this direction, giving you the sweeping angle. So you can sweep through this angle here. So give it a try. It will feel kind of awkward if you stick your fingers into the sky, but have it so that you can make this sweeping action with so that you can point in the direction of J. Well, think about it. It's the answer will be your thumb pointing in this direction. So so now let's put it to the test. So we are trying to get K and crossing it with J. So K will be this vector here. Unit vector K will be 0, 0, 1. Vector J hat will be 0, 1, 0. So now this vector here is this, and then this vector here is this. So let's cross it. So we are trying to get K, cross it with J. So K, cross it with J. So looking at I, discard. Let's just look at this, and then looking at J, discard. Let's just look at this, and then K, discard. Let's just look at this. So that will be this, and then it's this times this, take away this times this, which will be -1, and then this will be 0. This will be 0. So you can see that it's in the negative I direction. So that must be in this direction. Okay. So oh, by the way, if you have, let's say, J cross J, so J, this is unit J here. J cross J would be, well, this is your vector, your unit vector J, your unit vector J. So if you try and cross J, J cross J would be this. Your eyes should zoom into the eye, discard. That would then give you this. J, discard. Let's just look at this. That would be this. Blah blah, and then it's this times this, which will be 0. Take away this times this, which will also be 0. So this thing here will be 0. and then this times this, take away this times this will be 0. This times this, take away this times this, that will be 0. So j cross j will be 0. Even if you have I hat cross I hat, it will be 0. K hat cross K hat, follow through the same process, it will still be 0. And another technique that you might want to use, if you have I cross j, so your right hand should be pointing at I, and then you got to sweep, you got to curl your fingers so that your fingers are pointing in the j direction. So your thumb will be pointing up. This will feel comfortable. If you you don't need to turn your hand upside down or anything. It would be a straightforward K. So if you're trying to cross I cross J, I cross J in this direction, it will then give you K. If you try and do J cross K, so J is here, K is here. So your thumb will be pointing in a comfortable. Your thumb should be pointing in a comfortable in this comfortable direction, I. So if you try and cross J, cross it with K, you're moving in this direction. So the answer will be I. But then if you have something like if you're trying to cross J with I, so you're trying to do this. So cross I. So this is your J, this is your I. So you've got to make this sweeping action. The thing is, if you use your right hand will be pointing this direction. You can't. You see, at the moment, if you point your right hand towards in the J direction, you can curl your fingers in this direction, but you can't curl it the other way. So you've got to turn your hand upside down. If you turn your hand upside down, your thumb will be pointing down. So if you're trying to do J cross I, you're going in the opposite direction now. So this will be minus K. Well, this is another method. Should you want to use it, okay?